Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic style of interior design that blends the charm of vintage elements, the raw beauty of rustic materials, and the cozy simplicity of farmhouse aesthetics. Here is how the three components come together. First, vintage is diamond treasures, pieces that look aged or are authentically old, such as antique furniture, other design, and heirloom style accessories. Classic charm, floral prints, enamel art, lace, and items from the early to mid 19th century. Repurposed finds, old ladder as shelves, messengers as vases, or repainted vintage dressers. Next, rustic uses natural textures like raw wood, distressed finishes, stone burlap, and metals like old iron or galvanized steel. Handcrafted fill, DIY touches, visible craftsmanship, and imperfect finishes that add character. Neutral palette, earthy tones, creams, browns, grays, accents with soft panels or faded colors. Next, farmhouse, cozy and functional, inspired by country living. Big farm tables, open shelving, apron front sinks. Inviting vibe, layered textiles like grand sack cushions and silky knit troughs, open layouts and homey details. Authentic utility, decor with the purpose, like our baskets for storage or cloths used as coffee tables. Overall, vintage rustic farmhouse decor creates a lifted, welcoming look that feels both nostalgic and natural. It is perfect for those who love the idea of a home that tells a story, looks crafted over time, and emphasizes comfort over protection. Here is a deeper dive into vintage rustic farmhouse decor, covering its origins, materials, key elements, color schemes, and decor ideas to help you fully understand and use this charming style in your home. Origin and influence. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor draws inspiration from early American farmhouses, European countryside homes, especially French and English cottages. The Great Depression and post-war eras when homes are finished with practical, handmade or passed-down items. It is a style born from simplicity, function, and resourcefulness. The celebrated for its warmth and authenticity. Key materials: reclaimed wood, often used for floors, walls, tables, and beams. Distressed metals, galvanized steel, iron, and copper accents for lighting, shelves, or signs. Natural fabrics like cotton, linen, burlap, and wool for a soft, undefined feel. stone and brick exposed fireplaces, rustic walls, or flooring. Next, color palette. Vintage Rustic Farmhouse Decor uses a neutral, calming palette, often include whites and creams, like chippy paint, whitewashed furniture, beige tube and grays, natural and grounding. Soft pastels like mint green, dusty rose, faded blue. Use earth tones like brown, rust, shades, or terracotta. Black accents for contrast and modern farmhouse is. Common decor features. First, furniture. Use farmhouse tables with bench seating, slip-covered and tufted sofas. Also use wooden cabinets with glass doors, vintage dressers and sideboards. Lighting. Use messenger candelights, lantern-style lights, industrial-inspired metal sconces. Wall decor. Use shiplap walls or beaded wood paneling. Also use window signs like bakery, farm fresh eggs. Rustic mirrors with distressed wood frames. Gallery walls with antique photos or botanical prints. Accessories. Use wicker baskets, crates, and enamel containers. Also use old books, clocks, scales, and typewriters. Quads, grains like pillows, and lace table runners. Greenery, real or wax, like eucalyptus, lavender, olive branches. Functional decor. Use open shelves with ceramic pitchers and plates. Wire baskets for kitchen or laundry organization. Hooks made from old knobs or reclaimed wood. Styling tips. Mix old with new. Pair antique finds with modern comforts for balance. Embrace imperfections. Chipped paint or aged and rust add authenticity. Keep it cozy. Use layers, pillows, throws, curtains to make the space inviting. Tell a story. Each item should feel like it has history or sentimental value. Room by room styling ideas. First, living room. Furniture. Go for slip-covered sofas, tufted chairs, and reclaimed wood coffee tables. Decor. Add vintage trunks as storage, old books, lanterns, and cozy net throws. Walls. Hang a large rustic clock, botanical prints, or vintage signet like farmhouse or gather. Kitchen. Open shelving with white dishes, mason jars, and copper cookware. Farmhouse sink apron front with a gooseneck bucket. Is an old mudca block or weathered tables as a kitchen island. Display basket of fresh product, herbs, or antique scales. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames or painted wood headboards. Also use layered bedding like quilts, linen sheets, and cotton throws in muted tones. Add vintage dressers, antique mirrors, and bedside messenger lamps. Bathroom. Use distressed old vanities or vintage dressers converted into sink. Messenger light fixtures, metal towel racks, and clawfoot tubs. Decorate with garden steams, old window frames, or antique aperture jars. Entryway. A rustic bench with throw pillows, wall hooks from burnt wood or old iron. Use a vintage coat jack or oil baskets for shoes and bags. Decor staples to look for architectural salvas like old doors, shutters, corbels, and bedboards, antique finds, enamel sign, typewriters, candle holders, and vintage baskets, handmade items like pottery, wooden cutting boards, and oven textiles. Contrast with other styles. Style. What makes vintage rustic farmhouse unique? First, compare modern farmhouse. Vintage version is more time-worn, less slick. Modern uses black and white more heavily. Cottagecore. Farmhouse is more grounded and utilitarian. Cottagecore is softer and more whimsical. Rustic industrial. Farmhouse is warmer and cozier. Industrial is darker and edgier with more metal. Traditional vintage. Farmhouse uses more old, natural textures and practical charm fast owned vintage looks. Mood and atmosphere. The overall feel should be inviting, grounded, and serene. Lighting is typically soft and warm, often from candles or Edison bulbs. It is the kind of a space where you imagine sitting on a front porch with lemonade or baking bread on a quiet Sunday. The lifestyle behind the look. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is not just a style, it is the mindset and way of living. It reflects values such as simplicity, a return to basics, or functionality meets beauty. Sustainability, reusing, repurposing, and cherishing things from the past. Comfort and hospitality, homes are meant to feel lived in, not showroom perfect. Connection to nature, materials and color palettes reflect the outdoors. Advanced decorating tips, layered patina, mix different terras and finishes, combined whitewashed wood, rust metal, and etched ceramics. Let imperfections show, a light chipping paint or tarnish brush adds soul. Crowded clutter, display collections, old milk bottles, iron stone dishes, wooden rolling pins. Group items in odd numbers, threes or fives, for visual balance. Use open shelving or antique hatches to show off vintage treasures. Creative repurposing. Turn old ladders into towel racks or blanket holders. Use window frames as wall decor or picture frames. Make centerpieces from old watering cans, cradles, or animal pictures. How to personalize the style. Add family history, showcase heirlooms, or old photos in vintage frames. Display handwritten recipes, antique tools, or furniture with a story. Mix with other styles, modern elements like matte black fixtures or minimalist lines for a fresh update. Boho touches, mix layered rugs or mimicry for a relaxed, creative edge. Scandinavian vibes with clean lines and cozy minimalism for a refined farmhouse feel. Seasonal decor use natural elements like pine cones, pumpkins, or wildflowers for seasonal changes. Soft pillows, trays, and table genres with pictures and tones to match the time of year. Emotional appeal. Why it feels so special? With this rustic farmhouse decor is not just about the style, it is about how it makes you feel. Nostalgia. It brings back memories of simpler times, maybe childhood visits to a grandparent's home or a slow rural lifestyle. Grounding. The natural textures and aged materials make you feel more connected to the earth and your roots. Comfort. The layered fabric, soft lighting, and aged wood all say you're safe here. Authenticity. Nothing is overpolished. Every item has history and soul. Signature pieces that defines the style. The score pieces instantly evoke the look and feel of vintage rustic farmhouse decor. As ordered or dining tables, preferably long and chunky, iron or wood bed frame with window squares. Old window frames or barn doors used as arch or dividers. Galvanized tubs and metal pails used for storage or decoration. Used distressed dressers or cabinets, wooden cradles and or baskets. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.